won't believe what Citroen just dropped. The 2026 Citroen DS Cabriolet Sport has officially arrived, and this isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. Sculpted like a concept car, powered like a supercar, and wrapped in a design that feels ripped from the future, this cabriolet is turning the automotive world upside down. But here's the real twist: Citroen has secretly embedded a next-gen aero-adaptive system in this car. Something so advanced it's been kept off the official press sheet until now. Yes, you heard that right. There's a hidden feature that changes the way this car breathes, moves, and grips the road, and in this video, we're going to reveal it all. But you'll have to watch until the end, because what we reveal could change the way you look at Citroen forever. So don't miss it, don't scroll, hit that subscribe button now, because the future of driving is just beginning, and you're watching it. At first glance, the design speaks for itself. The 2026 DS Cabriolet Sport flaunts a radical front fascia with razor-sharp LED headlamps and an aggressive wide grille that demands attention. The sculpted hood lines give the car a muscular posture, while the bold Citroen badge sits proudly at the center like a seal of innovation. It's a road presence that turns heads and holds them there. From the rear, the DS Cabriolet Sport is equally impressive. Sleek, minimalist taillights stretch across the smooth surface, adding a futuristic touch. The dual exhaust design tucked into the sporty diffuser and the powerful rear stance scream performance without saying a word. This isn't just another pretty convertible, this is a statement. Step aside from aesthetics, and the 2026 DS Cabriolet Sport goes deeper with performance features that aren't widely known yet. Underneath its sculpted skin lies a lightweight chassis using Citroen's new carbon fiber-infused composite blend. This technology not only improves rigidity and safety, but also cuts down the overall weight significantly, boosting acceleration and handling. Powering this beast is a next-gen hybrid powertrain tuned specifically for performance. Combining an advanced turbocharged petrol engine with a dual-motor electric assist, the DS Cabriolet delivers instant torque and an exhilarating 0 to 100 km/h time under 4.5 seconds. The secret sauce: Citroen's proprietary pulse drive system that smartly distributes power to the wheels for maximum traction and cornering grip. Another detail few know is the smart cooling system integrated into the body design. Hidden vents activate dynamically based on engine temperature and aerodynamics, reducing drag at high speeds. This means better performance and efficiency without any manual input. It's fast, smart, and completely seamless. Inside, expect a revolutionary minimalist interior with voice-activated controls, ambient lighting that changes with your driving mode, and sustainable luxury materials. Citroen is clearly aiming for an emotional connection, not just comfort and convenience. So, what's the damage to your wallet? Surprisingly competitive. The base model is expected to launch at €61,900 in Europe, with higher trims crossing the €75,000 mark. For what's essentially a luxury performance cabriolet packed with tech and futuristic design, that's a bargain compared to German rivals. The 2026 Citroen DS Cabriolet Sport is slated for release in select markets by early Q for 2025, with pre-orders opening as early as August. If you're looking for a convertible that blends innovation, performance, and pure style, this is the one you've been waiting for. Citroen didn't just make another car, they crafted an experience. And with the DS Cabriolet Sport, that experience begins the moment you lay eyes on it. Don't blink, this one's going to move fast.